Hi, it's David again at the kickstand. While I'm waiting for the most recent video to render, I thought I would give a little update on what's going on with the channel, projects. I'm also evolving the equipment and also added a space to make it a little bit easier to do the channel. So today I just wanted to give you a little tour around the space here. So I'm going to give you a before. It's just a small 10 by 10 or so, maybe a little bit bigger room. I added some of the stuff that I brought over from my shop and added some other items that really haven't had a home. So first, here's the way the room, it's not the way that it's always been, but this was sort of dumped with all of the stuff that I had dumped in. This sort of gives you an idea of the space. And then this is the space after. So some changes, definitely shoehorned a few things in. It's not 100% yet, but it's getting there, and I'm sure we'll figure out organization as time goes on. Something that I really enjoy doing are bike projects. With all the work that I've been doing lately, keeping up on other people's bikes, I haven't had a bike project for a little while, so I thought I would start a couple bike projects, a used bike and a new bike. And I want to show you today the used bike project that I have here. So here is the bike. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you can see the full bike. This is a 90s Bridgestone MB6. This was just a pretty standard mountain bike, and I pretty much have just the frame. I've got a couple little pieces to it. I do have the crank on here, but this is an old bottom bracket. Anyway, it's kind of a neat little mountain bike frame that I thought would be a lot of fun to fix up. I haven't decided yet whether I want to go traditional and keep it a 3 by whatever it was, 7, 8, 9, or if I want to make it into some kind of urban rider. We shall see. Put that down there. And the Bridgestone project, when it's complete, I'm going to auction off and send the proceeds over to our local community bike shop, Wheelhouse. Alright, so this is going to be the unboxing of the new bike. And if I can show you here, this is from Soma. I am a big fan of mixty frames. I like the step-through style of them. I like the way they look. And Soma has a really cool mixty frame that they do. Let me get a little knife here, and we will pop this out of. Let me drop this onto the floor so you can really see it. I'm going to get it out. Now this is just a frame, and I believe it comes with a fork. Oh yeah. Pretty. The fork is down in there. I'll get it. We'll do this unveiling here. That is a lot of bubble wrap. And oh yeah. Look at that. nice looking frame. Love that teal look to it there. And as I thought, it does not come with a crown race, which is absolutely fine. I was kind of hoping it didn't, because you can see that this is the Buena Vista, and I want this to be a teal and black frame. Down tube, shifter spaces. I actually have adapters for that. I haven't 100% decided what this is going to look like, but it's sure a pretty bike. Let's get the fork out here. Soma is a company out of California that does custom bikes and bike frames. I've wanted to build one for a long time. Was looking at a Wolverine for a gravel bike, but I thought, how much fun would it be to make a gravel bike out of a mixie frame? So, oh yeah, look at that lovely fork. Oh, the beautiful detail work on the crown. Yeah. And this will accept a nice wide wheel. I haven't decided yet if I want to go 650B or 700. I think it'll accommodate both, so we could have a lot of fun with sizing on it. I believe I got a 54 centimeter frame. I am building this to actually sell. I'm not building it for myself. I already have more than enough bikes. Is that beautiful frame? All right. I'll offer updates on these bikes as I continue to work on them. All right, that's the news. A quick update, a short tour of the kickstand corner, and an introduction to the two projects that I'll be working on this spring. And speaking of spring, upcoming episodes for March, I'll dust off a couple of my bikes and we'll talk about regular maintenance and service schedules. Thank you as always for watching. If you enjoy this content, or you're at least curious about how I'm going to continue on with this, please like and subscribe. Feel free to offer your comments, insights, and share your questions. And I hope to see you next week. Thank you. Bye.